After more than 8 months, China has admitted that four of its soldiers were killed in a fierce clash with the Indian army in the Galwan Valley in eastern Ladakh. The Chinese military's official newspaper, the PLA Daily, reported on Friday that the Central Military Commission of China, or the CMC, recognized that five frontier officers and soldiers stationed in the Karakoram mountain for their sacrifice in the border confrontation. The Global Times quoted the report and said that the CMC awarded Regimental Commander Kui Fabao, Chen Hongjun, Chen Xiangrong, Shao Xiyun, and Wang Zoran. According to the report, three PLA soldiers were killed in combat, while another soldier died when crossing the river to support the troops. The standoff between the Indian and Chinese militaries along the line of actual control, or the LAC, erupted in early May last year following a violent clash in the Pangong Lake area. As the tension spread, both sides enhanced the deployment by rushing in tens of thousands of soldiers and heavy weaponry to the peaks in the Himalayas. The standoff continued throughout the year and both troops stayed put, even braving the cold, harsh winter conditions. Recently, the two sides agreed to disengage after multiple rounds of military and diplomatic negotiations. There were many skirmishes that took place when the tensions were high between the two armies. In one such incident, 20 Indian soldiers were killed in Galwan Valley on June 15th, the first in more than 4 decades. The Indian side said that the Chinese soldiers used stones, nail studded sticks, iron rods, and clubs to attack Indian soldiers after they protested the erection of a surveillance post on the Indian side of the LAC. The PLA Daily report claimed that the Indian soldiers attacked the Chinese troops with steel tubes and threw stones. While India announced the casualties on its side immediately after the incident, this is the first time that China has acknowledged the casualties and provided details of the incident. This led to speculation about the number of deaths on the Chinese side. Russia's official news agency, TASS, on the 10th of February, reported that 45 Chinese servicemen were killed, while an American intelligence report last year claimed that 35 Chinese military men were dead.